Can you buy a home with student loan debt? If you've got student loan debt, you might be wondering, can I even buy a home? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. In fact, a lot of homeowners today have student loans. But there are a few things you need to know and understand about how it affects your ability to qualify. The biggest factor is something called your debt to income ratio, or DTI. This is how lenders measure your monthly debt compared to your income. So they're looking at things like your car payment, credit cards, and yes, your student loans. If your total monthly debt is too high compared to your income, that could limit how much you qualify for. But it doesn't automatically disqualify you. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all student loan situations are treated the same. If you're on an income-driven repayment plan, your lender may be able to use that lower monthly payment when calculating your DTI. If your loans are deferred, the lender may still assign a payment for qualification purposes. So even if you're not actually making payments right now, it can still affect your numbers. Another important factor is your credit score. If you've been making your payments on time, your student loans can actually help your credit. But if you've missed payments, that can work against you. Now let's talk strategy. Just because you can qualify for a certain price doesn't always mean you should. You want to make sure your monthly payment, including your student loans, still fits comfortably within your budget. And this is where having a clear plan makes all the difference. Sometimes it makes sense to buy now. Sometimes it makes sense to buy down a little bit of debt first. There's no one size fits all answer. The key is understanding your specific situation and what options are available to you. Because I've worked with so many buyers who thought their student loans would hold them back, and they were able to buy a home sooner than they expected. I'm Tim Pantle, the Adopt a Dog Realtor. At the end of the day, I help people and dogs find their new homes. If you want honest answers, clear plan, and no pressure, reach out. Let's get started.